gari-garon sa kuwan.
Okay, good evening, may hapon. Sige, may hapon sa tanan. I hope nga madungog na. So for this session, of course, we will have a rationalization, no, ato ang practice test, no, last night, no. Kindly check, no, if you answer those questions, then kindly check if you get the correct answer, no, based on the solutions nga ako ang i-present for this session. Okay, good evening. Good evening. Okay, good evening. Sige. Okay, good evening, good evening. I hope madungog na ko, no? Kindly comment if madungog. Ranis, no? Kind of check sa if madungog ko. Good evening, good evening. Okay, very good. No, thank you, thank you. So we have problem, no, last night kay walay voice or walay audio. So now medyo madungog na ta. Sige. Sige, kindly tell your classmates na mag-start na ta kay para mahuman nato ning katong 50 items, no, last night. Okay, good evening, good evening. Okay, good evening, good evening. Sige. Sige, hulatan sa nato ang uban, no, to join para dagan-dagan ta before we start. Okay, good evening, no, good evening sa naka-join na. Kindly message your classmates na kuan. Okay, so medyo na busy taga nina, no, because of katong activity ang mga kuan, mga gi-work namo. Sige, so ayun na lang ninyo i-transfer, just check your answer, no, if tama ba, no, and also your solution if naka-follow ba diri sa ato ang kuan, no, naka-follow ba diri sa ato ang solution nga atong i-show karon, no, just check your kuan na lang answer, no, you have to assess yourself kung kuan ba kanang tama ba ang imong solution, no, or solving, no, in the questions, no, na ato ang gi-present last night. Ayon. Sige, good evening, no, good evening. So okay ra, klaro na natay tingog, unlike last night, no, na wala tay audio. Medyo okay na karon. Sige. So while waiting sa uban, no, let's have reminders, no, that the questions that that was presented in this session, no, na siya'y kuan ng natay fair use nga gi-base, no, for that, no, that all the questions that that presented is of course kuan siya kanang for educational purposes only, no. We are having a discussion here in the rationalization, no, of the questions na gi-present nato, no. Fair use allows small parts of piece to be used without permission for the purposes of criticism, commentary, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research. Ayun. So, of course, the sources, no, of those questions, of course, gikan ra pud sila sa kanang mga gipang post, no, sa Facebook, mga Facebook group of let review, no, ato alang gi-evaluate, no, ato gipang tan-aw, no. Mostly, no, I recommend also sa katong group ni Teacher CP na katong gipang post niya nga mga questions, no, medyo daghan-daghan pud tong katong mga gi-post niya, no. Ako ang gipang tan-aw din, I get those questions under mathematics, then gihatagan po nato og kuan, no, rationalization. Then meron pod sa kuan, no, sa mga other YouTube channel, no, na mga nagpresent og questions na atong nakuha. Then of course ato ang atong gihatagan og solution, no, for this one, kasi in some channel ang ilang gibuhat i-present lang nila ang question, no, without rationalization. So in this video, no, in this channel, no, we try to rationalize kung anong inana ang answer, no. Of course meron po sa Google, no, na apoy mga gipang search nato nga nagawas na mga materials, no, na under sa mathematics Gen Ed. Mao ni ato ang mga sources. Sige. So let's start with number 1. No, I know you can this time, no, pwede na mo pwede na mo type sa inyong answer. So unlike last night, no, na dili ta na ninyo i-type lahat pero inyong gi-type, no. Sige. So let's try, no, the same routine with our our virtual class, no. Inyong i-type inyong answer if what is your answer. Then let's try to see, no, by showing the solution nganong nag-come up ta ana, no, nga answer. Sige, number 1. Okay. So we start from the very basic, no, pinaka foundation, operation of integers. Ayon. So para ma-practice, no, that is why this is called practice test. Okay. Na ay different nga answer, na A, na ay B. Sige, let's try nganong na A ug B. Sige, na ay B. Okay, so I think that's enough. So let's try to check if letter A or letter B is the correct answer, no, for this one. Of course, as you can see, no, this is addition, no, addition of integers. Ayun. So this is addition of integers, and as you can see, this we have integers na meron siyang common sign, no. We have negative and negative na, and to add, no, integers with with common sign, of course, using the rule, no, na we just add the absolute value of the two integers. We have the absolute value, then of course the absolute value of 8, that's 8, then plus the absolute value of negative 2, that's 2, then that is equal to 10. And for the answer, no, of course we need to copy unsa ang common nga sign, no, in the two integers. So that's negative, so that's negative 10. So our answer is of course letter B. Okay, so that's negative 10. Ayun, klaro kayo, no? So basic, no, basic computation, no, i-enhance na to kay again, we the board exam, no, under general the licensure examination in Gen Ed mathematics, kuan siya, gi-strike nga no calculator allowed. So dapat kuan yun, master ta in computation manually, no, in manual computation. Okay, very good, no, for those who answered letter B. Ayon. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. We have negative 3 minus 6. Now take note, as what I've said, no, that after the first integer, the sign that you can see is the operation, no, operation of the integers. So this is negative 3 minus 6. So what is your answer for this one? For number 2. Ayun. Okay. Okay, we have answer. Merong nag-answer. Sige, let's wait sa uban nga mo answer. Okay, nag-answer diri number 2, letter B, no? Majority answered letter B. So let's check, no? So of course, again, this is subtraction, no? Of course, as what I've said, no, ang atong i-remember is subtraction is katong same change rather. Okay, same change then change. Ayon. So first, for the first integer, so that's same, so we will just copy negative 3. Then for this one, this operation, no, that's subtraction. So ato siyang i-change into addition. Then of course, this is positive 6, no, for the operation of for the sign of the second integer. So from positive, it will become negative 6. So ayon. So using the rule of addition, so this is addition of course, this is addition of common, no, have common sign. So that's absolute value of negative 3 plus the absolute value of negative 6. Then of course, the absolute value of negative 3, that's positive 3, plus the absolute value of negative 6, that's positive 6. So that's 9. So the answer will the sign of the answer, of course, based on the common sign, no, of two integers na dire. So that's negative, no, for this one. So the answer for our answer is negative. So that's negative 9. So that's letter, okay, that's letter B. Okay? Okay. So ayon. Okay, very good, no? Very good na naka-answer, no? Anyway, just introduction pa man, no? Medyo sayon pa ni siya, no? Introduction. Sige, let's proceed for this one. Negative 8, okay, that's divided by positive 2. Ayun. So, I think, as what I've said, no, na natay rule, if we have positive, divide natin ng positive, then the result is positive. Then, if we have negative, divide natin ng negative, that's equal to positive. Positive, divide naman ng negative, divide ng positive, that's negative. Then positive divided by negative, then that is negative. So for this one, of course, we just operate, no, the kani ato ang negative a, no, that's para mas kuan siya, no, that's absolute value of negative 8 divided by the absolute value of 2, then that is 8 divided by 2, then that is equal to 4. And the sign of your answer, of course, based on this sign rule, no, in the operation or in the division of integers. So this is negative, then positive, then we divide negative and positive, then the answer is, of course, under in this rule, no? So that is negative 4. Ayun. So, letter D. Okay, so that's it, no, for number 3. Let's proceed, no, medyo okay pa ta dire, sayon pa kayo siya. Sige, let's proceed to number 4. Sige, how about this one? No, same with the rule of division, no, same, no, we have also the rule of multiplication in operation of sign, no, or the integers. Under multiplication, we have positive times the positive, then that is equal to positive. Then we have negative times negative, then that is equal to positive. Then we have negative times positive, then that is negative. Then positive times negative, then that is equal to negative. So, to this one, no, we have the absolute value of negative 8 times the absolute value of negative 6. Then, that is equal to 8 times 6. Now, we have now we have now 48, no? So, we have 48. Then, of course, the sign, we have negative and negative, no, there is siyang a rule na fold, then the answer should be positive. So, that is why positive 48. So, ayun. Careful. Mayroon napay nag-answer og letter A, no, that's letter C, no, napay nag-answer. So, be careful of the sign, no, kay para sa computation medyo dili ta malibog, no, dapat ma-master na nato ning operation of integers. Okay, that's letter C. Okay, very good, no, very good. Sige, let's proceed. Let's proceed to number 5. Okay. We have number 5. Okay, we have 4 minus negative 1. Sayon kayo. No, operation of integers. Okay, of course, that is, okay, we have number 5. Naapay nag-answer og C, naapay nag-answer og A. So, they have different answer, no? Medyo naapay nalibog. Sige, try na to. Let's show, no, the solution. So, of course, as you can see, this is subtraction, no, of integers. And this is our first integer. Then, this is the operation under subtraction. Okay, this is under subtraction. Okay. And, of course, this is our second integer. No, using the rule, no, ato ang i-remember. Of course, we have same, change, and change. So we have 4 from subtraction magiging addition. Then this one, no, this negative 1, then that will become positive 1. So that is 5. Okay, so that's positive 5. So, letter C. Ayun. So, very, very easy. Pero, need na to ma-refresh ang basic, no? Basic mathematics, no? Fundamental of mathematics. Okay, let's proceed to number 6. Let's proceed. Okay, we have medyo challenging na ta. Proceed na ta sa medyo challenging gamay. So, we have 5 plus 36 divided by 2 times 3 minus 4. This is order of operation. Okay. So we have order of operations. Sige, we have letter C, no? Majority answer or most of you answered letter C. Ayun. Okay, very good, no? Very good. Okay, we have letter C, no? Mostly, no? Nag-answer og letter C. Pero naapoy ning answer og letter A. Okay, kinsa kaya ang tama? No, is it letter C or letter A? No, they have different answer. Sige, kinsa kaya ang tama for number 6? Okay, sige, let's try to show, no, the solution. Of course, for this one, now as what we learned, no, in our discussion, so of course we will use, of course, the PEMDAS, no, the PEM, of course, DAS. Okay, of course, we already learned na si multiplication and division, they have equal na power, no, as long as kung kinsa ang naa sa left, no, left to right, no, yung computation nato, no, yung computation na ato ang i-follow. Of course, we have left to right. Okay. Then for this one, of course, the operation under multiplication and division, of course, there is no parenthesis and exponent. So proceed ta in this part, no? So we have multiplication and division. Then the left, the operation in the left, no, in the left part is this one. So we have to solve first this part. Now we have 5 plus, of course, we have 36 divided by 2. Then that is 18. Okay, that's 18. Then copy this part. Okay, we have times 3 minus 4. So we have this one, no? Then proceed, of course, still in this part we have multiplication. So we have to multiply 8 times 3. Now we have 5 plus, of course, 18 rather. 18 times 3, that's, of course, that's 54. Then, of course, minus 4. Okay? Of course, we are now in this part. Now, of course, we have remaining operation na addition and subtraction. So, diri nga part, no? So, of course, kung kinsa ang nasa left, always, so, mao to atong i-solve, no? Always, no? First. So, of course, we need to solve this part. So, that is 59. Then, copy minus 4. Then, we have 59 minus 4. That is 55. Then, we have 55 for our answer, no? In this question. That's letter C. That's correct, no? Very good. No? Very good for those who answered letter C. Okay, nakasunod ra. Okay, very good, very good. No, katong nag-answer og letter A, no, careful ta in solving. We have to follow aning steps para dili ta mamali, no, in answering the type of question niya inani. Okay, very good. Sige, let's proceed to number 7. So simplify, now we have the bracket 2, then negative 3 squared minus, we have negative 4 times negative 5 minus 2, then parenthesis, bracket. Sige. Number 7. Sige. So, of course, this is order of operation, no? Still, we will use PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Of course. So for this one, no, of course, we have under parenthesis, wala man siya nasakop no, na naka-parenthesis. So of course, proceed ta into exponent. No, this is exponent. So the part here nga na-exponent is this one. So we have to solve first ani siya nga part para di ta malibog. So we have the 2. Of course, we have negative 3 squared, that is positive 9. So that's negative 3 times negative 3, no? So that's positive 9. Then minus, no? Of course, i-copy lang sa nato para di ta malibog. No, we have negative 4 minus 5, then minus 2. Then, ayun. So of course, next is under multiplication, no? Multiplication for this part. So multiplication and division. So since, as you can see, na multiplication, no, this part and this part, no, pwede nato ni siya i-solve, no, as kuan, usahon na lang nato or dungano nato, no? So we have, of course, we have 18 for this part, 2 times 9. Then copy the minus nga operation. Then we have negative 4 times negative 5, that's positive 20. Ayun. And we have minus 2. Okay? Okay. So we have now 18. No, 18 minus 20 minus 2. And of course, both we are now in this part, no, in the PEMDAS. So both subtraction. So pwede nato ni unahon ang nasa left, no? Always para di ta kuan na left to right yun ato ang computation. So we have 18 minus 20, so that is negative 2, then of course minus 2. And that is equal, no, using the operation of integers, no, we have negative 4, no, for this one. Okay, so this is our answer. That's letter A. Very good, no? We have common answer, letter A. Master na sila mag-order of operation di ay. Ayun na gyud di ay. So that's letter A. Okay, wala siya na color. Okay, that's letter A, no, for this one. Okay. Let's proceed to number 8. Let's proceed to number 8. Okay, we have 18 plus the parenthesis, open parenthesis, no, 6 minus 2 times 2. As yun, medyo dali-dali ra ni siya. Okay, so they have a similar answer, no? Letter A. Okay, letter A. Okay. Sige. Sige, let's check, no, if you have correct answer. So we have 18 plus of course this one, no, we need to again we need to follow the PEMDAS, and this is under parentheses, no? So we have to solve first this part. We have 18 plus, of course, we have 6 minus 2, then that is 4 times 2. Okay, so of course we are now in this part. Then of course we need to solve first in this part kasi multiplication, no, mas una man siya in order before ang addition. So we have 18. Okay, 18 plus, of course, we have 8. Okay, so we have now 26. Ayun. So pag mali ang order nimo, imuha ning i-operate daan before nimo i-multiply og 2, din ang result nimo is already wrong. No, mali na dayon ka. So you have to follow the proper order of operations, no, sa kanisya na type of solving, no, in this type of solving na sa mga problem nga inani. Sige, that's letter A, no, for this one. Okay, very good, no? Very good. Oh, daghan na ang naka-follow, no? Daghan na og maayo mo compute or mo solve og order of operations. Okay, let's proceed to number 9. Okay, that's number 9. Well, 5 squared minus 10 divided by 2 times 4. So, this is order of operations. Okay. Of course, may nag-answer ng letter B. Ayun. So, you have a similar answer. Letter B. Okay. Okay, so let's check, no, if letter B is the correct answer. So, of course, using PEMDAS again. Okay, we have PEMDAS. Of course, we have no parentheses. So, proceed na ta in the exponent part. So, of course, we have exponent. So, we have 5 squared. So, that is 5 times 5. That's 25. Okay, that's 25. Then, copy minus 10 divided by 2 times 4. Okay? So, of course, for this one, so we have to solve first this part, no? Of course, wala nang kuan, wala nay squared, no? Wala na exponent. So of course we can proceed to this part, no? The division, multiplication and division. Pero since nasa left side si division, so isolve na to siya, no, una. So of course, copy 25 minus, so we have 10 divided by 2, then that is 5. Then times 4. Ayun. So, of course, again, we are in this part gihapon sa PEMDAS. So, multiplication and division before ang addition and subtraction. So, we have to solve first ani, no? So, we have now 25 minus, then we have 5 times 4, that is 20. And 20 minus 25 minus 20, then that is 5. So, this is our answer. Letter B. Okay, correct, no? You got the correct answer. Letter B. Majority got the, or most of you got the correct answer. So, ayun, master na mo solve og order of operations. Okay, sige. Let's give another challenging question. Ayun. Evaluate the following expression. So, medyo daghan-daghan na. No? So, we have 5 plus 3, open parenthesis, 42 plus 7 minus 7. Then, open parenthesis, we have 2 plus 32 times 8. Then, times 0. Okay, very good, no? Very good. No, very good. Ayun, meron nanay nag-answer. We have B, no, as the answer of majority. Ayun. Okay, very good. No, letter B for this one. Of course, let's try to show the solution. Nganong B ang answer for this one. Now, of course, we still follow the PEMDAS, no, para di tayo malibog, always PEMDAS. Ayun, PEMDAS jud. So, of course, this one, we need to solve first katong naa sa parenthesis. We have 5 plus 3, then we have 42 plus 47, that's 49. Then minus, let's highlight this operation, minus, we have 7, then we have 2 we have 2 plus 32, then that is 34, then times 8, no, then that is 272. Anyway, no, any number na mag-result for this one is i-multiply nato sa 0, then this part, no, this part will become of course automatically this will become 0, no. However, this part, no, we need to solve, no, for this part. So that is 5 plus 3 times 49 minus 0, no, that's minus 0, no, because this part kani diri nga part kana sila mo equal naman na siya sa 0. Okay, so basig ang uban mo answer og 0 diretso kay nakikitag 0, no, kanilang diri nga part ang ma-0 niya. No, we still have 5 plus 3 times 49, so that is, of course, we have 5 plus we have 3 times 49. Okay, so that's 147. 147. Okay, so that is now 152. Then, of course, we have our final answer of 152. That's letter B, no, for this question. Ayun. Letter B. Okay, I think majority, no, got the correct answer. Ayun. So, master na, master. Okay, very good, no, very good. So, let's proceed to number 11. Now, what property is this? Now, we have n plus 13 plus 4 is equal to n plus 13 plus 4. So, is it A, associative property, B, commutative property, C, additive identity, then D, distributive property? Naining answer og A, napuning answer og B. Hala, unsa kaya ang tama ani? No, unsa kaya ang tama? Hala. Okay. Sige. So just review, no? Just review in the properties of real numbers. For this one, of course, take note that in associative, no, the change, no, or katong ana siya nga ang change of the groupings, no, dili siya maka-affect sa kuan niya, sa result, no. Of course, in associative, no, ato lang yung i-remember in associative that the position still remains, no, kasi pag ang position ang na-interchange, that's under commutative, no. So, i-check na to if still remain bagihapon ang position, no? We have n, 13, and 4. So, we have n, 13, and 4. And as you can see, ang groupings ang ato ang gi-change, no? Kasi in this part, kani ang gi-group, then diri nga part, no, diri sa ato ang right part, then diri na pud ang gi-group. So, that's the same with we have A, no, we have A plus B plus C, then that is equal to A plus B plus C. And this is associative property. No, that's letter A. Ayun. Oh, check. Dili ni siya distributive, no? Dili ni siya distributive. Okay? So, careful, no? Studyhan na to ang property of real numbers. Okay. So, for this one, letter A is the correct answer. Ayun. So, majority, no, got the correct answer, which is letter A. Okay, careful. Sige, let's proceed into number 12. Okay. So the distributive property would say 3, the parenthesis of A plus 2B is equal to. So kung i-distribute nato ni, no, pila kaya ang equal? So is it A, 3, 2B plus A, then we have A plus 2B, 3, then we have 3A plus 2B, then we have 3A plus 6B. Okay? Okay, sige. Let's check no the answer. Ayun. So I think majority or all of you, no, I think all of you answered letter D, which is the distributive property for this one. Of course, from the word distribute, no, distributive. So we have to operate, no, multiply nato 3 times A, then that is 3A. Then we have also to of course copy for the operation. Then we have 3A times 2B, then that is 6B. So of course this one is letter D, and letter D is of course our correct answer. Ayun. So dali ra kayo, no, basta mga inani. Sige, let's proceed. How about this one? Murag bonus, no? Kung naiinani nga question, bonus. Bonus question. Okay, number 13. Okay. Number 13. Okay, what's your answer for number 13? Okay. So, I think majority answered letter A. Sige. Of course, very good, no? So, of course, this is commutative property of multiplication. So, since we are using multiplication, so we have, of course, no, in any change of the position, no, kahit i-change nato ang position, dili gyud na siya ka-affect sa result, no. Still, 9 times 2 is equal to 2 times 9, and that's under commutative property of multiplication. Of course, letter A. Letter A for this one. Okay, very good, no, very good. So still naka-follow pa. Let's proceed. No, let's proceed to number 14. What property is this? So negative 11.3 plus 0 is equal to negative 11.3. Okay. So, of course, you have letter B, no, as a common answer. So, this is, of course, letter B, no, additive. So, this is called additive identity, no, kani. So, kani siya is any number na ada na to og 0, still mubalik siya sa iyahang identity. That is why identity ito. Since nag-add ta, So, of course, additive identity. But if we multiply, para mubalik siyang identity, we need to multiply 1, no? Kay mao man to ang multiplicative identity. So, si 1. So, that is why mubalik na pud siya into the number nga imuha siyang i-multiply og 1. Still, mubalik siya sa iyahang identity. So, that's, for this one, this is additive identity. So, medyo okay rin siya, no? Sayon na kaayo. Proceed. So, the commutative property of addition would say 2n plus 4 is equal to, of course, commutative from the word commutative. So, if we have a plus b, then that is equal to b plus a. So, that's according to the commutative property. So, of course, if we have 2n as our a, then 4 is our b. So, of course, so in commutative property, that's equal to, of course, change na to. We have 4 plus 2n. And that is letter C. Okay, very good, no? For those who answered letter C, that's the correct answer. Very good. So, this is letter C. Okay? So, that's the practice, no? That's the practice in the 5 questions, no, under the properties of real numbers. Okay, let's proceed into another topic. No, practice into another topic. Which of the following gives the prime factorization of 54? So, asa daw dira sa ila ang muhatag siya og prime factors or nasa prime factorization of 54. Hala, we have different, okay. Okay, naadyo tayo lahi nga answer, no? Na letter C, na yung answer of B. So, what do you think is the correct answer for this one? Okay? Ayun. So, majority answered letter B. Okay, let's try to check, no? Take note that this one, no, we have example, we have 3 cube, no, or 3 to the power of 3. And take note that is the same or equal to 3 times 3 times 3. Ayan, no? So, if we kanang make this in kuan, kanang i-show nato tanan ang tanan nga prime, so this will become 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. No? And of course, if we solve this one, no, as you can see, all of the numbers are primes. So, of course, atong buhaton, ato na lang i-operate. No, we need to operate or to of course to multiply this one if it is equal to 54. Asa diri ang mo equal og 54, then that is your answer. So we have now 2 times 3, that's 6, no? Then we have 3 times 3, that's 18, then 18 times 3, then that's 36 plus 18, then that is 54, no? So this is 54. So letter B is our correct answer. Very good, no? For those who answered letter B. Dili magpaatik anang mga nag-exponent, no? Same, no? Inani ra siya para dali ra nimo masabtan, imuha siyang bungkagon, no? If pag-operate nimo kung kinsa ang mo equal og 54, which is in the given, no, in the STEAM, then or in the STEAM, so that's your answer, or that will be your answer. So that's letter B, no, for this one. Oh, ninggawa si 51. Okay, so which among the following is not a prime number? No, we are referring to a number which is not a prime number, or let us say among the given choices, which of the following, or which among the given choices is a composite number, no? Inana iyang gipangita asa diri ang composite. So of course that's 51, no? Kasi si 51, this is divisible by 3, no? If you remember in the rule of divisibility, no, in the a number is divisible by 3 if i-add nato siya, then the result is also divisible by 3. So for this one, 5 plus 1, then that is equal to 6. And take note, 6 can be divided or divisible by 3, which ang iyang answer is a whole number, no? Meaning walay remainder or dili siya mahimog decimal or any fraction. So meaning letter C is our answer for this one, which is which a number which is not a prime number. Ayun. So that's number 17. Okay, so okay, very good, no, for those who answered letter C, naka-follow pa. Okay, proceed. Now proceed. What is the largest prime number that is less than 100? Ayun. Ano kaya yung pinaka-prime number or the largest prime number that less than 100? Okay, very good, no? Your answer is letter D. You have a similar answer, letter D, 97. Oh, very good. So that's our answer, no? That's letter D for the largest prime number that is less than 100, no? Of course, daghan ni siya, no? Of course, if you imuha siyang isa-isahon, mag-start ka sa 2. So we have 2, we have 3, we have 5, no, we have 5, we have 7, no, 7, we have 11, then we have 13, no, next by 13 is we have, of course, 17, then we have also 19. So these are the prime numbers, no, na less than siya 100. So next to 19, what do you think is the next prime number? Okay, 23, no, 23 is also a prime number. Then we have, of course, that's 29. Okay, 29. Then we have 31. Then we have 37. We have 41. Okay, 41. Then we have 43. 43. We have also 47. We have 53. No, 53. That's also a prime number. So as you can see, wala si 51, no, kay mao to ganina, no, na dili siya appeal sa prime number because 5 plus 1, that's 6, and 6 is divisible by 3, no, so meaning dili siya prime number. So we have also 59, no, for this one we have 59, we have 61, we have also 67, we have also 71, 73, 79, we have 83, no, 83, we have also 89. Then the last and the largest number, no, which is less than 100 is equal to 97. So 97 is our answer, no, for this one. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, number 20. Okay, very good, no? We have 59, 61, 67, 71, 73. So, I think, koan. So, daghan pagkulang kay Loro. Okay. So, what is your answer for number 20. What are the prime factors of 153? Okay, very good, very good. Letter A. So, of course, no, as what I've said, no, this 9 is not a prime number kasi naaman tayo 3 times 3. So, this is eliminate na dahil nato ni for the choices. And of course, 153 is not a prime number, no? Kay kung siyang i-add, we have 1 plus 5 plus 3, then that is equal to 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So 153 is also divisible by 3, and then dili siya prime number. So this is already eliminated. So, of course, to check this one, as you can see, 3, 3, and 17 is already a prime. And 17, 3, and 7 is also a prime. So, ang inyo na lang buhaton, you have to operate, no? We have 3 times 3, that's 9. Then we have 17, of course, that's 17 times 9. So, then we have, of course, 7 times 9, that's 63. Okay, we have 3, then we have 6, and we have 153. No? So, meaning, so that's 153, and letter A, no, is our answer. So very good, no? You have letter A. Okay? So just kuan na lang ng mga nagkuan dira nga mga KSP, no? Naunsa na sila. Okay, proceed. Sige. Paki-kuha na lang na. Ayaw lang ninyo i-open na. No, mga kuha na sila. Mga KSP. Okay. So, what's your answer? Of course, no? Kuha naman din eh. Okay na, letter A man din ang answer ni. Sige, let's proceed to number 21. So, which of the following is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9? No? So, take note, no, in the rule of divisibility, so we have the same rule, no, that we follow in divisible by 3 o divisible by 9. Ayun. Pero, kung dili siya kaabot og 9, then dili siya divisible by 9. So, all you need to do is to add, no, to add all the kaning numbers diri sa inyohang kaning given, which is, ang question 3, which of the following is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9. So, if you add this one, 1 plus 1 plus 7, then that is 9. So, this one is already divisible by 9. So, tanggal na ni. Kasi dapat divisible by 3 siya but not divisible by 9. For this one, of course, this is 18. No? So, already divisible by 9. So, dili ni siya pwede ato ang answer. So, for this one, 2 plus 3, then plus 3, that is 6. So, dili na siya divisible by 9 because wala man siya kaabot sa 9. No? So, this is already divisible by 3. No? For this one, of course, we have pila man it? 10. We have 11, 27. No? And 27 is divisible by 9. So, of course, this is letter C, no, for this question. Kuha ni siya, ha? Remember nga, nagawas ni siya sa mga previous nga questions, no, sa Gen Ed. Okay, let's proceed to number 22. Okay, number 22, the number, no, we have taas kay nga number, no, na ay 512115273 999132 is not divisible by which of the following factor? So you have to test, no, kani siya nga number, asa daw siya diri ang dili divisible of any number for this one. You have to review, no, the rule of divisibility for this one, no. Of course you have different answer, no, na ay nag-answer og C, ay na nag-answer og B, no, na nag-answer og D. Okay, what do you think is the correct answer? Okay, sige, very good, no, na ining comment. Okay, very good, naka-follow gid sila. Okay, so of course, no, we have for the divisible by 2, so ato arang tan-aw ning last or end, no, kaning unit digit nato, last part, no. If it is 0 or even number, no, is 2, 4, 6, 8 and ana, no, so that is divisible by 2. So as you can see, kani siya is divisible by 2. Ang question ri, which is not, no, or is not divisible of which factor? So dili na siya divisible. So dili siya pwede nga answer ang letter A because ang question is not man. So which is ang 2 is divisible by ani siya, no, for this number. Now for divisible by 3, no, ang inyong buhaton, you need to add all these numbers. No, pag add na to, so we have 5, 1, we have 6, no, 8, 10, 15, we have 15 plus 2, that's 17, no, 17, then we have 24, no, 24, we have 27, we have 36, we have 45, we have 54, 55, then we have 60, no, in my mental calculation. I don't know if tama ba ko. So of course 60 is divisible by 3, so dili siya pwede. Now for divisible by 4, no, ang ato alang tan-awon is of course this part, no, last 2 digit, no. If 32 is divisible by 4, then kani siya nga number tanan, kani whole kaning taas nga number, then that is divisible by 4. Tanaw na to. Of course, no, kasi kung i-divide na to og 4 ang 32, that's 8, no, and wala siya ikuan. So of course, this one, no, is not our answer. Of course, klaro kayo that letter D is our answer. So yan naman ay nabilin. Now for letter D, no, last 4 digit atong i-check, no, if kada siya pag divide na to, if whole number siya or og naa siya remainder, then that is not divisible by 8, no. So we have 9132 divide na to og 8, then okay, klaro kayo, no, nga naa siya remainder. So letter D is our answer, no, for this one. Okay, so of course letter D, ayun. So let's proceed, no. For this one, letter D is our answer. Ayun, kailangan yun nato i-reviewon, no, kung na-question nga inani, take note nga nag-exist na ni siya sa kuan Gen Ed na mathematics, no, under role of divisibility. Mao ni ang mga type of question nga possible niyo ma-encounter, no, under role of divisibility. Okay, let's proceed to number 23. So what is the divisibility rule for 5? Sayon ra kayo, no? So pag 5, so of course, the sum ba of the digit need to be divisible by 5. So if we add the digit, then that is under divisible by 3 and divisible by 9. No? If the last digit is 0 and even, then that is divisible by 2. Now if we add the numbers or the digit, if divisible by 3, then ang iyang summation, then that is divisible by 3. No, ana siya. So ang divisible by 5 is of course that's the last digit need to be 5. Okay, very good, no? That should be 5 or 0. Kasi pag 0 lang, so divisible by 10. Though divisible po siya by 5, pero kuan po, divisible by 10 po siya, no? Be specific, kay according diri what is the divisibility rule for 5 man? So we are looking for the divisibility rule for 5. Okay, let's proceed to number 24. Sige, what is your answer for number 24? Okay, very good, no? All of you answered letter A. Now, of course, 50 is divisible by, of course, this is divisible by 2 because 50, ang iyang last digit is 0, no? So, that's divisible by 2. That's also divisible by 5 kasi nag-end man siya og 0. And of course, divisible by 10. No, that's letter A. Master na, basta kabalo sa rule of divisibility, dali ra kay na ansiran. Okay, very good, no? Very good. Ayun, very good. Okay, let's proceed to number 25. No, let's proceed to LCM and GCF problem. No, mao ni ato ang mga na-discuss na nato ni, no. Sige. So this is practice test, no. Every kada 5 ka question, no, ma-cover na dito ang ato ang mga na-discuss, no. This is just a review atong na-discuss nato sa fundamental mathematics. So by next week, no, we will proceed to business mathematics and algebra with problem solving. So medyo daghan po ang gagawas ana dira, no. And if we still have time, no, we can proceed to at least in statistic, no, statistic and mga simple probability. I think hapyaw na lang ta sa geometry, no, kay sa kuan man sa ato ang new curriculum, no, you are the new curriculum man, no, sa ato ang GE4, no, kuan the mathematics in the modern world, wala naman kaayoy kuan, no, wala na kaayoy geometry, but of course I will try to include atong mga kuan, no, atong mga sa logic, no, katong mga negation, mga conditional, by conditional, no, we have deductive nga mga reasoning, no, possible gagawas na siya sa new curriculum kay naaman siya sa mathematics in the modern world, no, mao naman lang na inyohang mathematics in the new curriculum. Sige okay, sige, so you have what's your answer, no, for number 25, no? Isa pa ako ang nakuan. Okay. So number 25. No, what's your answer for number 25? Number 25 pa man ta. Okay, naglahi-lahi na letter C, na letter naan may naabot og 26. 25, letter C daw. Sige, let's try, no? We are looking for the least common multiple. Sige. The least common multiple. No, to answer this one, no, I suggest, no, kato-ato ang na practice that of course we have many ways, no, to solve this problem in LCM, pero ako yung gi-advise is the ladder method, no. We have 5, we have 8 and 10. So of course we need to find, no, a factor nga common, and of course wala may common sa ilahang sa ilahang tulo na if ato siyang i-paired na tulo sila, pero na-common si 8 ug si 10. And take note nga, since mas daghan ang nila, ang number nga na-common, no, unahon nato siya, no, pagawas. So we have common nga 2, no, of course copy the 5, then we have 8 divided by 2, then that is 4, and we have 10 divided by 2, then that is 5. Okay, so we have also common for this number 5. So pagawas na lang nato 5. So we have now 1, 4, then 1. Okay, of course, still ang 4 pwede pa nato na makuan, no, para remain na lang is all prime numbers, no? So pwede na kani, and this one, no. Dili na to include si 1 kay if any number kung i-multiply na to 1, still mubalik ra man na siya, additive identity man na siya. So mao ni ato ang LCM. So we have to multiply those prime factors nga ato ang nakuha. So we have 2 times 5 times 2 times 2. Then 2 times 5, that's 10 times 2, we have 20 times 2, then that is 40. So our LCM is equal to 40. Ayun, that's letter C. Very good, no? For those who answered letter C, no, katong master na mo answer og LCM, GCF, no, pag mugawa sa inyo ha sa let, no, kaning LCM, no, magkuha na lang mo, mag-smile na lang mo kay master naman mag-compute or mag-solve sa LCM and GCF. Ayun, so I think majority no nag-answer og letter C. Okay, so that's letter C. Very good. So let's proceed. No, let's proceed to number 26. Find the GCF of 12, 32, and 56. Okay, sige. Na ining answer 26B, which is 4 daw. Sige daw. B, of course, no. Kuan na, majority na nag-answer og letter B. Sige, let's try to show if letter B is the, let's try to solve if letter B is the correct answer. So, of course, we will use again the ladder method. Now, we have 12, we have 32, and we have 56. Okay? So, of course, the common among 3 or ang number na pwede nato ma-divide or divisible, common divisible by 3, then that is 2. Okay, 2. Okay, of course, that is 12 divided by 2, then that is, of course, that's 6. No, then we have 32 divided by 2, then that is, of course, that's 16. Okay, then we have also 56, no? 56 divide 2. Then that is I think 28, no? Kasi 28 times 2, that's 56. So that's 28. Still we have still common. We have 2. We have this one 6 divided by 2, then that is 3. And this one this is 16 divided by 2, then that is 8. Then we have divided by 2, then that is 14. So as you can see, no, wala na common divisibility or common divisible na number between 3, 8, and 14. So we can stop here, no. So this is our prime factors, no, or prime common factors, no, among 12, 32, and 56. So our GCF, no, since we are referring to GCF, greatest common, so pag naay common, so dito lang ta kutob, no. So GCF, then that is 2 times 2, then that is equal to 4. So ayun, so 4 is the answer, no, for number 26. No, that's letter B. Ayun, very good, no. For those who answered letter B, you get the correct answer, which is very good. Ayun. Okay, let's proceed to number 27. What is the greatest common factor, the GCF of 8, 16, and 20? Ayun. So, ayun. Majority, no? You answered letter A. So, let's check if letter A is the correct answer. No, of course, ladder method again. No, we are referring to greatest common factor. So, we have 8, we have 16, and we have 20. Ayun. So, of course, we have common of 2, so that is 4, and this is 8, and this is 10. Of course, still there is common of 2, no, as a number that can divide 4, 8, and 10. No? So we have 2, then we have 4, and we have 5, and we have now 2, 4, and 5 as our new number. So wala na common, no, there is no common nga pwede ma-divide among 3, no, na common sa ilang tulo. So we stop here. So that's our common prime factor, no, in 8, 16, and 20. So the GCF, or the greatest common factor, is equal to 2 times 2, then that is also 4. So ayun. So we have letter A, no, for this one. Ayun, let's proceed to number 28. No, find the greatest common factor, or GCF, of 14 and 22. Okay. Sige. So, I think, naining answer og letter A, nalahi. Ayun. So, naay A, naay nag-answer og B. Naulahi dahil ni 27 dahil ni A. We are now in number 28. Now, what's your answer in number 28? So, letter B. No, majority answered letter B. Let's try to check, no? Of course, ladder method again. We have 14 and we have 22. Then, the common of 14 and 22, no, the number that can divide both 14 and 22 is 2, of course. Then, 14, that's 7. Then, we have 11. So, wala na common, no, in 7 and 11 because they are both prime number. So, we end in 2. So, our GCF is equal to 2. Ayun. So, that's letter B. So, sayon kayo. Okay kayo, dali ra. Okay, bonus, no, for this question if mugawas siya. Let's proceed to number 29. What is the least common multiple of 4 and 9? Okay, very good, no? You have a similar answer, common answer, letter B. Okay, let's try to check if letter B is the correct answer. Of course, we have 4 and 9. So, as you can see, nawalay common. So, let's try to simplify para ma-show na to. So, try na ko si 3 ug pagawas. Then, of course, copy si 4. Then, this will become 3. Then, again, 3. Then that is 4, then 1, then we have 2, then 2, then 1, then again, pagawas na lang po nako. So that's 1, 1. So para identity na siya, no? Di wala na kuan. So of course we have LCM is equal to 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. Then 3 times 3, that's 9, times 2, that's 18. Then 18 times 2, that's equal to 36. And we have this answer. Okay, letter B is the correct answer. Very good, no? That's letter B, 36. Okay, let's proceed to number 30. Sige, I think this is the last number, no, in the LCM and GCF topic. So, what is the LCM of 5, 8, and 10? Okay, so what's your answer, no, for number 30? Okay, so I think majority na po nag-answer og letter B. Let's try to check if letter B is the correct answer, no, for this one. Okay, let's try, no, using ladder method again. We have 5, 8, and 10. And as you can see, there is no common among 3, but there is a common, no, number that can divide 8 and 10. So let's simplify first kaning duha ka number. So we have 2, no, for this one. Then we have 5, copy the 5. Then we have 8 divided by 2, then that is 4. Then this is 5. So I think nagbalik siya, no? So we have 5. So we have now 1, then we have 4, then we have 5. Then we have 2, then we have 1, then we have 2, then we have 1. No, this is already 1, no, for this part. Ayun. This is already 1, 10. So, of course, out na lang po nato si 2, no, para identity na tanan, no, in this area. So, of course, this is our mga prime factors na i-multiply to get the LCM, no. So we have 2 times 5 times 2, then times 2, and that is equal to 2 times 2, that's 10, times 2, that's equal to 40. Then letter B is our correct answer, no, for this one, letter B. Very good, no, letter B. Okay, that's letter B. So we are now in number 31. Let's proceed to the topic under operation of fractions. Now, we are done with LCM and GCF. No, sige. So what's your answer for number 31? So this is the challenging part, no, if you don't have calculator, if calculator is not allowed, then the fraction, no, or the operation of fraction, no, the problem under fraction ang medyo time consuming, no, medyo time consuming siya. I need you na to siya i-solve manually. Okay, okay, very good, no, you have letter D, no, as common answer, no, majority answered letter D. So let's try to check if letter D is the correct answer for this one. Now, as you can see, so we have 2 operations, no, na involved. We have addition and subtraction. So of course, if the 2 or more operations, no, full na gid siya sa order of operation. So using PEMDAS, no, of course we have PEMDAS and direct na ta na ma-fold diri kay addition and subtraction lang man. So left to right pa rin, no, left to right. So kung kinsa ang nasa left, then that's the fractions nga ato ang i-operate, no? So let's try to solve first 1/3, no, plus 2/5, no? So that's 1/3 plus 2/5. So this is dissimilar fraction. So of course, para mas dali, no, we can use the butterfly method, no? Katong ato ang na-learn, no, in our discussion. So we have 1 times 5, then plus we have this one, 2 times 3 over, so we have now 3 times 5, then that is, of course, that's 15, no, that's 15. Then we have now 5 plus 6 over 15, then that is 11 over 15. Okay, for this part, no, that is equal to 11 over 15. And of course, we need to subtract also negative, no, that's minus 2 over 6. No, that's 2 over 6. Ayun. So, of course, still, no, we need to operate this one. So, this is also the similar fraction. So, napoy ko mas dali siya nga method or way if i-simplify nato ni daan, no, kaning 2 over 6. Now, we can also simplify. Now, take note that 2 over 6, that is also equal to 1 over 3. No, i-simplify nato. So, that is 1 over 3. So, ato ani siyang i-1 over 3, no, for this one, para medyo gamay-gamay ratong i-operate, no? 1 over 3. So, that is, we have 11 times 3, no, for this one, for this part, no, then we have minus 1 times 15, and that is 15 times 3, and that is, of course, we have 33 minus 15 over 45, no, and we have here 33, no, we have 33 minus 15, and that is 18. No, 18 over 45. And take note, 18 and 45, they are both divisible by 3. No, 9, no, para mas dali. Kasi 1 plus 8, that's 9. Then 4 plus 45, that's 9. So, para mas dali, divide both side by 9. No, so, we have now 2. Of course, that's 5. No, that's 5. So, 2 over 5. So, this is our final answer for this one. That's letter D. No, letter D for this one. Ayun, medyo time consuming lang yun siya, no, to answer fraction. Pero, kailangan yun nato siya i-refresh, no, and ang mga technique na itong gamiton in solving fraction. Kaya medyo time consuming siya. So, very good, no, for those who answered letter D, no, you got the correct answer. No, congratulations. Let's proceed. No, let's proceed to number 32. So for number 32, find the product of 2 and 1/2, 5 over 7, and 2 over 5. Sige, so let's write again, no, para ma-visualize nato. We have 2 and 1/2 times 5 over 7 times 2 over 5. Ayan. So, what's your answer? Nag-answer po og letter D, no? Medyo majority na sad nag-answer og letter D. Okay, very good, no? Very good. Okay, sige, let's try, no? Of course, all numbers or all fractions kay naka-multiply man, so walay involved na other operation. So, of course, bisag asa ta maguna, no, if kuan diri na ta, always ta mag-start diri sa left, no, para uniform ang ato ang solving, no. Of course, to solve this one, no, I think my advice is we need to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. Now, to do that, we have to multiply this one, the denominator, into the whole number. Multiply, then add the numerator. No, so we have 2 times 2, then that's 4, plus 1, that's 5. Then copy the denominator, of course. Then we have times 5 over 7. Then, of course, times 2 over 5. And by rule of multiplying fraction, dali raman kayo. Ato araning i-multiply for the numerator, no? Ang numerator sa fraction 1, i-multiply sa fraction 2. Then, dito na nato, i-multiply po nato sa fraction 3. So, that's 5 times 5, that's 25 times 2, that's 50. And we have also this one. No, we have 5 times 7, that's 35. No, 35 times 2, then that's 70. Now, as you can see, 50 and 70 is both, or they are both divisible by 10. Then we have 5 over 7. So our answer for this one is 5 over 7. And that's, of course, that's letter D. Ayun. So, medyo dali ra siya, basta kuan lang, kabalo na jud ta sa rule, no, in operation of fractions, no. Dali ra kay na siya. So, ang board exam, no, ay ang PRC dili pud sila always gahatag og ginani lang na number, no. They are converting the problem into kuan siya, murag word problem siya, pero kailangan nato siya applyan og skills nato in the operation of fraction, no. So, mamaya murag maka-encounter ta inana. Now, of course, this one express 24% in fraction form. So, dali ra kayo nga question, no? I-convert daw nato, i-express daw nato ang 24% into fraction. And take note, no? So, that 24% is equal to 0.24. Ayun. And to solve this one, no, if natay duha ka decimal, di ba, kay tenths, hundredths naman ni, no? Unlike sa whole number kay 1, tenths, no? Then diri tenths, hundredths, thousandths, no, ang iyahang placement, no? So if 0.24, then we have, and that is equal to 24 over 100, no? And of course, we just simplify this one, no? Of course, that is divisible by 2. Try na to, no? So we have, of course, we have this one. This is 12 over 50, and still divisible by 2, no? So that's divisible by 2. Then that is 6 over 25. So this will be our answer. Letter D, no? Letter D, no? Wala siya nakuan. Letter D. Okay. Sige. So, let's proceed to number 34. So, which is a set of equivalent fraction? No, asa daw diri ang fraction na kung imuha siyang i-lowest term, no, or imuha siyang i-simplify, then they are all equal, no, equivalent ra daw sila. So that's number 34. Okay, sige. Let's try, no? Of course, this is already in the simplest form. Now, letter A, inyong answer majority. So, let's try to check letter A. No? So, of course, 2/3, no? 2/3 is already in the simplest form or in the lowest term. So, of course, 4 over 6 can be simplified, no? Or can be a lowest term pa man, no? We're using 2, no? As both number na atong i-divide numerator and denominator. Then that is 2 over 3. Still, that is also 2 over 3. This is also 8, no? 8 over 12. So 8 over 12 is both divisible by 4. No, divisible by 4. So of course, we have 8 divided by 2, then that's 2 over 12 divided by 4, then that is 3. And that is also equal to 2. Okay, so we have letter A, no, is our answer. No, ang same ra or equivalent ra ang fraction. Ayun. So I hope nga mugawas po ni sa inyo, no, dali ra kayo sa inyong Gen Ed. Okay, let's proceed to number 35. Okay. So we have 2/3 minus 1/4 plus 1/3 is equals to A, 2/3, B, 1 and 1/4, C, 1, then D, 4 over 3. Sige daw. So, I think maayo na gyud mo solve, no, na refresh na gyud, no, ang operation of fractions. Kabalo na gyud mo solve. Very good, no, very good. Okay, sige. Let's try to check if letter A is the correct answer, no, for this question. So, of course, let's solve first, no, kaninga part, 2/3 minus 1/4. Then that is 2/3 minus 1/4. So, this is the similar fraction. So, this is 2 times 4, no, for this one. No, that's 2 times 4 minus 1 times 3, no, for this one. And we have also 3 times 4. So, of course, that's 8 minus 3 over 3 times 4. That's 12, of course. So, we have 5 over 12. Now, for this one, this is 5 over 12, then plus 1/3. Okay? So, let's add 1/3, no, in the result of 2/3 minus 1/4. So we have now 5 times 3 again, no, we have butterfly method, no, for this one. So we have of course that's plus 1 times 12, then over 12 times 3. Then we have 15 plus 12 over we have 12, 24, 36. Okay, 36. And we have 27 over 36. And take note that 27 and 36 are both divisible by 9. No, divisible by 9. As you can see, 2 plus 7, that is 9. 3 plus 6, that's also 9. So, divisible by 9. So, 27 divided by 9, so that's 3. And 36 divided by 9, of course, that's 9, 18. We have 27 and then 36. So, that's 4. No? So, that's 3 over 4. Okay? Wait sa. Ayun. 3 over 4. So, this is our answer, no, for this question. No? Dali ra kayo siya basta kabalo na ta sa procedure, no? We need to solve manually, no, or we need to solve this one, no, gyud kanang without using calculator para ma-master, no, mamasanay ato ang mind. Kay take note, no, wala ra bay calculator during the board, licensure examination, no, for teacher, no, under Gen Ed Mathematics. Okay, that's letter A. Now let's proceed to number 36. So, we have to simplify 4 and 1/5 plus 7 and 6, 7. So, let's rewrite, no, this one para medyo klaro. 4 and 1/5 plus 7, wait. 7 and 6, 7. Okay, so you answered letter A, no? Majority, no, answered letter A. Most of you answered letter A. Okay, let's try to check if letter A, no, to solve this one, maybe pwede nato inanion, no? So we can add the whole number first. So that is already 11. No, 11. Then we add the sum of 1/5 plus 6 over 7. Now, of course, our concern is to add this one. So, since we already have 11, then we have 1/5 rather plus 6 over 7. Then we have 1 times 7 plus 6 times 5 over, this is 35. Okay, we have 7 plus 30. Okay, so 6 times 5, that's 30 over 35. Then we have 37. No, we have 37 over 35. Now, this is improper fraction. So, ang atong buhaton is we need to make this into mixed number para ma-add nato into the 11 now as a whole number. So, to do that, now we have 37 divide 35. Of course, that's 1. Then we have 35. Then we have, of course, this is 2. Now, and the quotient is our whole number. Then the remainder, so this is our remainder, is our new numerator. Then we have 35. So we just add 11, no, since nakuha naman nato da ng 11, then that is 12, 2 over 35. So this is our answer. So pwede, no, basta mag-addition ta og mixed number, no, mga mixed number addition. So we can do this one. We need to add first the whole numbers, then before ang mga fractions, then i-add lang nato siya. Pero in subtraction, medyo complicated siya isipon, no, in subtraction. That is why we really need to convert the mixed number into improper, no, before operating or before subtracting to another fraction, no. Ana siya. So medyo medyo time consuming gid siya, no, if walay calculator. So anyway, this is letter, so of course that's letter A, no, this is letter A for this one. Okay, let's proceed, no, let's proceed to number 37. How about this one? No, as what I've said, no, mao ni ako medyo complicated siya if fraction, no, the subtraction of mixed number. Sige. So let's try, no. We have 8 and 2/3 minus 2 and 1/6. Ayan. So, we need to operate this one without using calculator. So, of course, to do that, so much better guro nga ato siguro siyang i-convert from mixed into improper. So, we have 8 times 3, then that is 24, plus 2, then that is 26 over 3. Then we have also 12 plus 1, that's 13, no, that is over 6. Ayan. So, of course, using the butterfly method natong na-learn, we have 26 times 6, no, for this one, for this part. Then, minus 13 times 3 over, no, for this one. Then, that is 3 times 6. Then, that is 52 rather, no, 52. Then we have minus 26. We have the 26 plus 13, then that is 39. No, 39. So that's 39 over we have 18 for this one. Sige, let's have 52 minus 39. Then that's 13, no? 13 over 18. Okay? So, what happened? I think there's something wrong sa na wala na ako nakitaan. Wait let us check kung asa ko na sipyat. I think we have this one. This part, no, murag na mali ko natuna ko. So we have 26 times 6, then that's 156 rather. No, 156. Then minus, we have 39. Okay, murag diri ko nga part nga nakuan. No, then that is 3, that is 18. So of course that's 156 minus 39. Then of course 156 that's 39. Of course we have 7. Then we have 2 and 1. We have 1. No, 1. This is minus 3. That's 1. No, 117. So we have 117 over this is 18. No, para mas dali, no, we can divide both side by 9. No, since divisible by 9 man. No, kay 18 this is divisible by 9 also. So we have now 17, no, 117 divide natin ng 9, that's 13. No, then 13 over 2. Now we can simplify, no, this improper into mix, no, or we can convert this improper into mixed number. So 13 2, then that's 6, no, kay 6 times 2, that's 12. Then we have 1, so we have 6 and 1/2, no, for this one. So sige na diri ay nakuha na 2, ako nalibat na. Sige, that's letter B, no, for this one. This is our answer, 6 and 1/2. Ayun, so need lang yun siya need lang yun siya time, no, para ma-solve, no. I suggest maybe na kanang last na ninyo i-solve ni inani nga problem kung inani nga problem, no, medyo time consuming siya. So you can answer first katong mga sayunan ra sa inyo answeran, no, if you are in the board exam or in the licensure examination, no. Sige, let's proceed to number 38. No, this is a problem, no, which is related to fraction. So Sydney has 3 1/4 pounds of bananas, and she uses 2 1/3 pounds to bake muffins. So how many pounds does she have left? So basically, no, we just subtract 2 1/3 from 3 1/4, no. Ato arang i-minus, no, kung inyuha siyang sabton na kani daw siya ay banana siya na ani niya, iya daw gigamit ang 2 1/3, no, to bake a muffin. So ato ray subtract, no. So we have 3 1/4 minus 2 1/3, no. And to solve this one, no, I suggest, no, basta subtraction gani dito na gid ta na i-convert nato into improper, no. So we have 3 times 4, that's 12, plus 1, that's 13 over 4. Then minus, we have 7 over 3. Then of course cross die nato, no, butterfly. We have 13 times 3 minus 7 times 4, and over of course, no, we have also this part. So we have 4 times 3, then that is 12, no. Then we have 26, we have 39. We have 39 minus of course we have 14, we have 28, no. So we have 28 over 12. So ayan, so we have 11 no? We have 11 over 12. So that is 11 over 12 for this one. So that's letter, very good. That's letter C. Okay, let's proceed to number 39. Okay, so your mother left 3/4 pan of a cake on the table. So if you have a cake daw, na daw kay cake, ang cake daw ana nag-contain is gikat man nato ni upat, no. So balikan ni daw, mao daw ni ang cake nga part 3/4 ana. So kanina, so mao daw ni ang cake, no. Ang imo daw sister, no, your sister ate 2/3 of it, no. What fraction of cake was left, no? Ang namalian sa uban ani is from 3/4, no, di subtract 2/3, no, directly to the 3/4. Pero kung imo siyang subton, so kung naa daw kay 3/4 nga cake, gikaon daw siyang sister ang 2/3 sa 3/4. So of course, we need first to determine what is 2/3 of 3/4, no? So to do that, ano sang i-multiply kay of man, oh, from the word of, di ba? Mag-multiply man ta. So we have 3/4 times 2/3. And that is 6, no? That's 6 over kuan, no? 6 over 12, no? 6 over 12. And that is 1/2. So meaning 1/2 daw, no, 1/2 of 3/4 ang gikaon niya, no, ni sister. So pila ang nabilin? So of course we have 3/4 minus 1/2. So the answer for this one is the remaining na cake nga gikaon, no. So of course that is 3 times 2. We have minus 4, then over 8. So ayun, daghan jud malipat diri no nga part. So we have 6, no, 6 minus 4 over 8, and that is 2 over 8. Or if we last term this one, no, divide both side by 2, then that is 1/4. So that is our answer, no. If gisubtract nimo siya directly, no, 1/2 gyud imong answer. But if you try to understand the problem, no, you have letter B, no, as the answer. So again, mostly nag-answer og letter D, no, medyo kailangan siya analyzon, no. Naa daw ang imong mama nagbilin og 3/4 nga cake sa table nya, ang imuhang igsuon ning kaon daw og 2/3 sa 3/4, no, 2/3 of it. So meaning kwaon sa nimo o pila man ang 2/3 sa 3/4. So that's 1/2, no, 6 over 12. And of course the 1/2, ang pag-question what fraction of cake was left. So i-minus nimo ning 1/2 dito sa 3/4 nga iyang gikaon. Then ang nabili na lang nimo nga cake is 1/4 na lang. Ana siya. So kuan, para medyo dali siya subton, pwede na nimo drawing-drawingon, no? Very good, no? Pwede na nimo drawing-drawingon. Pero kuan, kanang imuha siyang hubaron ang problem, no, in your own word, no. Inana gyud ang pinaka simple nga pamaagi, no. You have to translate the problem into in your own word, no, para masabdan siya. Kay mao gyud ni ang problem, no. Kailangan nimo siya i-understand para ma-solve nimo. Okay? So that's number 39. No, medyo daghan ang nalipat di ayani, no. Okay, sige, careful ta for this problem kasi gawa sa inyo ha, no. Sige. Let's proceed to number 40. Sige, murag last na ni ata, no, in the fraction problem. No, maka-proceed na ta into next na pod. Okay, sige. So we have 10. Ayun. Oy, na 100 naman. So we have 10 and 10 over 12. Then we have to subtract 4 and 3, 12. Sige. So sa ako para medyo malesen ang ako ang trabaho sa pag-solve this one. So ang akong buhaton ako sa ning i-lowest term ni. No kay same raman gihapon na sa 10 and 5 6. No kay kung ako aning i-operate diretso dagko kayong number, no, at least makaless ta og time for computation, no, og mga number nga dagko. So of course this is also minus 4 and 1, tama ba na 1/4, no, that's 1/4. Sige, so this will be my new fraction, no, ako ani siyang gi-simplified ning 10 over 12 o 3 over 12 rather. So of course so I think mas kuan siya, no, medyo makaya ra ni, no, medyo dako man ang whole number diri kaysa second fraction nya, dako po ang yang fraction, so pwede ra nato ni subtract, no. So we have this one 10 minus 4, then plus, no, the kuan ani kaning the difference between 5 over 6 minus 1/4, no. So this is 6, no. So for this one kabalota nga 6 ni siya, pwede na nato ni tanggalon. Okay, kanina lang dayon ang ato ang remaining, no. At least nanatay 50% nga probability nga matama, no, by doing that. No, wala pa nato ni i-compute. So of course to compute this one, i-add ra man nato ang result for this one, no. So we have 5 times 4 minus 6 over we have 24. Okay, so we have now 20 minus 6, that is 14 over 24, no. So of course both divisible by 2, that's 7 over 12. So we have now 7 over 12, no, i-add nato sa 6. So we have now 6 7 over 12. So we have letter A as our answer, no, for this one. No, ayun. So very good, no, nang nag letter A as answer, no. Ana siya, no, kamo na mangita og paagi unsa inyohang method of solving that one, as long as tama ang inyohang answer, no, your computation for this one. Okay, let's proceed to that's letter A. Okay, let's proceed to number 41. Sige, this was our last topic, no. I think that was last night, no, ang mga percentage problem. So ato asiyang masteron po ning mga percentage problem kay daghan po igagawas ani sa board exam, no, which ang kaning siyang problem sa percent kuan na nato ni ma-relate nato ni sa ato ang next topic in business mathematics, no, kay prerequisite man ning mga mastery in solving percent, no, sa ato ang business mathematics, no, na may mga formula in business mathematics nga somewhat related into percentage na computation. Okay, very good, no? So what percent of 600 is 12? No. So what percent of 600 is 12? No, to imuha siyang mathematikon o imuhang mentalon nga pag-solve medyo malibog jud ka. No, para ma-solve nato na, of course we will translate this verbal expression into numerical equation, no, numerical or linear equation. So of course ang what percent, this is our unknown. Let ito siyang i-let as x, no. Then we have of we have this one of, that's multiplication. Then we have 600. We have is as equal, then we have to copy 12, no, for that one. So we have x times 600, that's 600x, and that is equal to 12. Okay, so that's 12. Okay, so we have 600x over 12. So, divide both side by 600. Then, we have x is equal to, now this is the challenging part, no? If wala tayo calculator, kay medyo kuan gini siya, no? Dako gini nga solving ni. No, we have 12, no? Divide by 600. Sige. So, ang atong buhaton is i-inverse nato, no? So, kung ato ang himuon, i-lessen nato ning 600, himuon nato ni, o ato ang i-move diri ang 2, 1, 2, himuon nato 6. Mag-move to punta diri from this one, himuon pud nato mag-move pud tag 2. No, para balance siya, no? So, para ma-lessen nato ni, no, himuon nato siya 6, no, nag-move ta og 2, no, to decimal place. So, mag-move pud ta og 2 decimal place sa ato ang dividend, no? Mahimo ni 1,200, then mahimo ni siya 6, no? Mahimo ni siya I hope, no, nga kabalo mo aning simple division aning mga inani mga mahimo ni siya 6, then mahimo ni siya og kuan. Wait sa. Nabaliktad. Wait. Pwede to siya dahil dili na dayta mag-move diri og kuan. Dili na dayta mag-add, no? Still mag-move ta og duha ka 0, no? Still mag-move ta from 600, no? Mag-move ta og duha ka 0. So that's mahimo siya og 6, no? Still na square root na. Still kuan gihapon ni siya, no? Still 12 siya gihapon diri, but we need to kuan, no? Ang first nato nga move that is equal to 0, then we have nag-move man ta, no? We have 0, no? Kaduha man ta nag-move. We have 0. Ayon. So, since 2 move ta, so naatay point og 0 nga idugang, no? Dili na ako nibutang kuan kay pangkuan man na siya. So, that's first move, that is point for the equivalent dito sa atong answer. Then second move, then we have 0. Then of course, mao na ni ang bag-o, no? Nahimo na siya 6 from 600 pero naa na tay ani point og 0, no? Then we have 12 divided by 6, then that is 2, no? Of course that is 12, then 0 na. So we have now 0.02, no? And this is equal to, no, kung i-move po nato 1, 2, then that is 2%. No, this is 2%. Ayon, sige, move na lang, no, ato siya. So, nakuha day ko kay decimal man day to, whole number man day. So, dito na day ta nagkuan. So, inana lang, mangita lang ka og way nga ma-lessen, no? So, kung still man gihapon, parihara man gihapon, no? Anyway, mao na siya ang solving, no, in of course mag-divide og kanang dako ang kuan, mas dako ang divisor kaysa imong dividend, no? So challenging po na siya nga part if you don't have calculator. Medyo mangita gyud kag way, no, para ma-solve siya. But if you have calculator, no, you just input kuan 12 over 600, no, naa na dayon kay result nga 0.02. So convert dayon nimo into percent, then that is 2%, no? For this one, this is letter A, no? Dali ra jud siya kung naalay calculator. However, kung wala, medyo taas-taas gyud ang computation, ha? Pero mas dali siya, no? Kay still moagi man gyapon ka if you are using percentage is equal to base times rate, no? Still moagi gyapon ka ani nga computation, no? Kay mo ra man gyapon ning ipang-convert, no? Since ipang-convert ra man nimo, ma-fraction man gyapon na siya, still nig-agi gyapon ka, no? Parihara gyapon ang process nimong agihan. Mas dali lang ni siya i-interpret, no, or subton. Okay, that's 41. Let's proceed to 42. What number is 35% of 20? Sige daw. What number is 35% of 20? For number 42. Okay, so your answer is letter C. No, you have similar answer, letter C. Okay, very good. No, letter C, no, is the common answer. Sige, let's try to check if letter C is really a correct answer or the right answer, no, for this one. Sige, of course, then what number that is our unknown, then the is the equal, then we have 35%, then that is equal to 0.35. Ang off, that is times, asterisk, then copy the 20, then that is 20. Then x now is equal to, of course, dali ra kayo, i-translate, 0.35 times 20, then multiply na to. No, i-multiply na to. We have 20 times 0.35. We have 0, then we have 10, then we have 0, then we have 6. Ayun. Now we have 6, then we have 0, 0, 7. Then take note that we have 2 decimal place, no, na cover sa decimal. So count tag 2, 1, 2. Then we have 7. So we have 7. Oh, no, that's 7, no, as our answer. So 7, no, ang atong answer. Ayun. So medyo challenging jud siya gamay in solving manually kay walay calculator nga i-allow, pero imo ha jud na siyang manumanuhon. So at least na kay skills, no, pag solve ana. So letter C is the correct answer for number 42. Ayun. Okay, so I think, no, majority naka-answer or mostly sa inyo naka-answer sa letter C. Let's proceed to number 47. 15% of 20 is what number? Gibaliktad-baliktad na, no? No, bisan pag baliktad-baliktaron na, as long as kabalo ka mo translate from that expression, no, into equation, to linear equation, then you can find the unknown, no, for the linear equation. Then that's your answer, no? That is your answer, no, for the question. So letter A ang answer sa uban. No, sige daw, let's try. 43 na ay nag-answer og letter A. Ayun. Okay, sige, let's try to check if letter A is the correct answer, no, for this one. Sige, let's translate, no, this expression, this verbal expression into let's convert into linear equation, no. We have 15%, so that's 0.15. The off is times or multiplication, then 20, just copy, then is equal, then what number, that is our unknown. So basically naanatay x is equal to 0.15 times 20. So kung ato siyang i-change nato, no, para dili sa right side ang x, same ra man na siya sa 0.15 times 20. And that is equal to x 0.15 times 20. Then we have 20 times 0.15. Then we have 0, we have 10, then we have 0, then we have 2, then we have 0, 0, we have 3, then we have 2 decimal place na nasakop, no, or under sa atong decimal, then count tawag 2, 1, 2, then we have 3. So 15% of 20 is, of course, that's 3, no? So that's our answer. Letter A. Ayun. Uy, kuan pa. Kuan pa si Boragay, nasipyat pa. No, of course, kuan ta. Careful ta sa ato ang answer. No, careful sa ato ang solving. Sige. Ayun. Let's proceed to number 44. No, we have mga problems nga related sa percentage. We have problem, no, mostly po ang uban po nga question, no, sa let no sa under Gen Ed Mathematics mostly inani no naka problem siya no, but you will use the concept of percentage no in solving this type of problem. Okay, very good no, very good. Number 44 naagyod si Ronil no, iyag yung gi-show ang solution. So let's try if we have same answer. Sige, let's try no. I will show the solution no, my solution if we come up with same answer. Your answer is letter B. Letter B. Oh, naining answer og letter C. Sige, nindot ning naay lahi no para ma-compare nato kung kinsa asa ang proper or tama nga solution. Okay? Sige. Sige, we are now in number 44. We are almost done. I hope na mahuman nato no 50 items no. 6 na lang gyud. Sige, let's try to check no. Let's try to check no. Of course, Miss Santiago's class has 20 boys and 15 girls in her class. So what percent of class are girls? No, pila daw ang percent sa girls. No, of course, to solve this one, no, we need first to add the number of boys and number of girls para makuha nato ang total number of students no sa class ni Miss Santiago. So that's 20 plus 15, then that is of course that's 35 no as a total. Now of course the question is what percent of the class are girls? So we know that there are 15 girls. So we have 15 over the total number of students, that's 35. No, then we have to solve this one. No, we have 15, 35. No, we have to add 0 no for this one. So mag-add na ko og point. No, kung nag-add ko og 0, una gid na point. So kung duha ka 0 akong gi-add, point 0 like ganina, no katatong gibuhat ganina. So we have 35, no, we have 35 150 divide 35. Then we have pila man eh. So we have pila kaya no 3 70 wala ra dili ra pod gamay ra pod no. Sige, let's try 4 no, let's try 4. So we have 35 4 of course 20, then we have 12 140. So let's try kasi 4 yun siya no, we have 4. So we have 140 now 140, and we have 10. So we have 10 no, add na pud ko og 0 dere, then we have of course we have 35, we have 70, okay 2 no 2. So we have 2, then we have 70, then we have 30. Ayon. So it means nga naapay sumpay no, we have 35 di ba, we have 300 i-divide nato og 35, then that is around 8 no, or 7 8 no 8. So kung ato ani siyang 0.428, so ato ang ili koan round off nato, so that's 0.43 no. So 0.43 that is equal to 43%. Ayon. So letter B no is the correct answer for this one. Ayon. Sige, let's proceed to number 45. Sige, mo ni mga mostly you know, mga problem nga ginahatag sa percentage no, related sa percentage no. Jerome answered 80% of the 50 items correct no, or of the 50 items correctly in math test no. Jerome answered 80% of 50 items correctly in math test. Now, how many items did he answer correctly? So nakakuha daw siya 80% no. Ang total of items na ilahang gikuan gi-test is 50 no. 80% of 50 no, from the word ani 80% of 50 items no. So pila daw ang iyang answer? So from the word of no, we have 80%, 0.80 now of times 50 no? Basically maura na ang ato ang buhaton no. We have of course we have 50 times 0.40, then we have 0, then we have 0, 0, then we have 20, then we have 0, 0, 0, 2, then we have 2 decimal place, no? We na cover sa decimal, we have 1, 2, then we have this wait sa something missing. How many items did he answer correctly? Nganong 40 man ako ang gibutang dire. Nakuha nawala na. Now we have 80 di ay. No, unsa naman to? Asa naman akong mind? 0, 0, we have 0, then we have 40. We have 40. Then we have 0, 0, 0, 4. Then 2 decimal points, then that is 40. No, that is our answer. Letter A. Okay. Sige. Nalipat. Sige, let's proceed to number 46. 18 is what percent of 24? Okay, then that is letter D. Sige, let's try. You answered letter D. Let's try to check. So, of course, 18. That is 18. Then is equal. Then what percent? That is unknown. That is our X. Then of, that is asterisk, no? Para dili siya pareha og X. Then we have 24. Then we have now 18 is equal to X times 24. That's 24X. Next, divide both sides by 24. Then we have X is equal to 18 over 24. Now we have 18, 24, then add 0, add kog point. Then we have 180. No, unsa kaya ang number? 180 divide 24. So that's 6, no, dili ra po. Sige, let's try 7. So we have 24 times 7. So we have 14, 28. We have 2, 14, 148. Wait sa 24 times 7. 168 rather. No, naunsa ba day ko? Lutang. 168. This is 168. No? So of course that's 168. Then we have, of course, 2. Then we have 7. Then 1. Okay. Then, again, bring down natin 0. Add 0. Then we have 120. Divide natin ng 24. That's 5. No, that's 5. So, we have 24 times 5. That's 120 naman. So, we have X. Then we have 0.75 or that is equal to 75%. Answer. Letter D. Very good, no? For those who answered letter D, master na gid ay. Maayo na mo solve og percentage, no? Di na gid mahadlok ani mga inani nga problem. No? Of course, daghan pa kay tag ma-learn, no? Especially sa algebra, no? Naay magic ang algebra, no? Especially if multiple choice na bisan pag unsa na dira nga problem sa algebra nga ipa-solve ang X o Y, kaya ginato na i-solve, no? So, we are using the weakness of multiple choice, no? And the power of substitution. Ana siya. Next nato na ma-learn by next week, no? Of course, maybe one night makahuman nato ang business mathematics sa pahapyaw raman, and we have algebra and problem solving, no? If possible. And medyo paspasan nato gamay. Now, of course, let's proceed to number 47. 25 is 5% of what number? Okay, tulo na lang jud, no? Sige, laban lang ta. Sige, laban. No, malutang na gyud ka, malutang. No, according to Maslow, no? Daw tay hierarchy of needs. So, isa gid ang ang basic needs, no, na makapikto. Okay, your answer for number 47, no, nalahi lagi na ay B na ay letter A. Sige daw, i-check nato kinsa kay tama ani. Is it A or B? Sige. 25, no, ato ada yung i-translate. No, way, sa walay dugay-dugay. Master naman tani, 25. Ang is equal. Ang 5%, that's 0.05. Then of, that is asterisk for the times. The what number, that is the unknown. Then we have 0.05x is equal to 25. No, akong gibuhat, ako lang gi-interchange, no, para dili man ko ganahan gud nga naa sa right ang naay variable. No, inani man ako ang ganahan para pag-divide na ako og 0.05. No? Then that is 25 divided by 0.05. And we have dili lang to, no, 25 divide 0.05. No, atong buhaton para ma-whole number, mag-move ko 1, 2. So mahimo na siya 5. So kung nag-move ko diri og 2, move ko diri kay ganina pabalik ta diri ta muad, no, pero kung paana ang atong move, then mahimo siya og diri ta mo move, no. Dapat aware na mo ani, no, mga inani nga solving, mga basic gyud kayo pang elementary, pero paninglon jud mo sa kuanana, paninglon jud mo sa board exam pag di mo kabalo aning inani nga mga basic nga mga solving. No, nag-add ko dire, no, mahimo siya 2 ka 0. Then mahimo na siya og na square root na hinoon 5. Then we have 2,500, no. Ano maning na square root man, di ko ganahan magtanaw, dapat fraction. Ayon. So ay radical. No, do we have 25? We have 5. No, kasi 25 divide 5, that's 5. Then that's 25. Then bring down 0. Then we have 0. Then we have 0. And I bring down another 0. Then 5 times 0. Then that is 0. Then bring down 0. Then that is already 0. Then we have 500 for our answer. No, dali ra jud kayo. Hey, what happened? Nganong naay nag-answer og 125. Namali na pag-interpret ba, or namali diri nga part na mali. Nakalimot na niya sa ilahang basic kayo nga math, nakalimot. Sige, that's 500, no, for this one. No, 500. The 25%, 25 is 5% of 500. Mao na ipasabot niya. Okay, nakasunod ra? Not 125 ha. O mao ni inyong ingon di ay nga na mali, na wala day 47. Dili dito inyong ingon. Sige, letter B is the answer for that one, no. So bisan pa inyohan ng kalkyon, no, equal yun na siya ng 25 divide 0.05, that's 500. Okay, proceed, no, to number 48. To pass her English test, Lucille must get 75% of the items correctly. Out of 80 questions, how many must she correctly answer? Para daw makapasar siya, na parehas ato o natay 150 items ato ang mockboard in Prof Ed. Then pila may 75% inana, no, para makapasar mo, no. Ato nang solve ganina, same for this problem, no. Same for this problem. So, kung nadaw 80 questions na total question, what is your score para makapasar ka if you must or you need to get 75%, no, out of that 80 questions. So, klaro kayo to solve that one. So, ato raman ang i-multiply ang 80 og 0.75. So, of course, we have 80 0.75. No, ako ang ginatry o ginaani, no, kanang kuan para masanay ta ba. Kay dili lagi ta pwede magsalig sa calculator. Kay wala bayay calculator during board exam. We have 0, then we have 40, then we have 0. Then what is 8 times 7? That's 56, no? That's 56. That's 0, 0, then we have 0, then 1, then we have 60. How many decimal? We have 2. So 1, 2, then we have 60, no, for this one. letter B. Letter B is the correct answer. Okay, very good, no? Very good. No, very good tong answer. Sige, let's proceed. No, let's proceed to number 49. No, last two. No, hapit na gyud. No, maka-relax na gyud ta. So, on a 50 question test, Danielle answered 78% of the question correctly. No, how many questions did she get wrong? Ayun. So, sa out of 50 questions daw, nakakuha daw siya 78% correctly. Now, dili to mao ang question. Kaya ang pangutana, pila daw ang questions nga iyahang namalian. Preliminary information raman ni siya kani-kani. No, kani dire. Pero ang question gyud is pila ang question niya na mali siya. No? Out of 50 question nakakuha siya 78%. Actually there are two ways no para ma-solve ni siya. First, kuhaon nato ang tama nga score niya then i-minus sa 50. Or pwede sad nga kaning 100% nimo no kuhaan nimo og 78%. So pila man ni? Pila na lang ka percent? So I think that's pila man ni? No, that's 22%, no? So that's 22%. Meaning ang percent nga namali si Danielle or Daniela, unsa man na Danielle is 22%. So kani ang ato ang i-multiply sa 50 para makuha nato yung wrong na answer, no? 0.22. So we have 50, so of course that's 50 times 0.22, no? So we have 0, we have 10, we have 0, then we have 10. So we have 0, 0, 1, 1. Then we have two decimal place, we have 1, 2, then we have 11 ang iyahang wrong. That is letter C. B rather. Very good, no? Very good ang naka-answer og letter B. Yan, naon lang siya, no? Okay. So, naining answer diri o 50 times 0.78 ang answer i-minus sa 50. Okay, very good na. Pwede na nga process, no? Pwede na nga process. Pero medyo kuha na siya, medyo time consuming po siya gamay, no? Ako suggest inani, kuhaon ninyo ang percentage nga na mali siya since we already know nga ang percent nga natama siya 78, no? So klaro kayo nga 22% ang iyahang namalian. So ang 22% ang atong i-multiply into 50 questions para makuha nato ang answer asa siya na mali. Still okay ra gihapon tong inyong method, no? There are many ways to kill a cat. Ayun, let's proceed to the last number para maka-relax. So, Eric earned 60 points on his last test. So, if there were 75 possible points, what was his percent grade? Sige daw. Pila daw yung percent grade? So, naka-earn daw siya og 60 points on the last test, no? If a total items daw ato or ang possible or 75 possible points o mao man ang total items, no, what was his percent grade? Dali ra kayo, no? Imuha ra maning 60 nga iyahang nakuha, i-over lang nato sa total possible nga points 75. Yung pila man ni? So of course medyo kuan gyud no? Medyo challenging gyud ning mga inani nga mga fraction ba ug walay calculator. Okay, so mag-add ta og 0, mag-add kog point. So 600 divide nato og 75, pila kaya? Sige, that's I think that's 8, no? That's 8. Sige. Kasi 75 so try na to 7 murag dili ra pod no kung 75 kung 7 5 man no 5 35 749 49 plus 3 52 so 25 o 75 so meaning pwede 8 no 8 so of course kung 8 kung 525 ni plus 75, so 600. So that's already 0. No? So we have 8. No? So we have 0.8 or kanang 0.8 that is equal to 80%. So that's 80%. So that's letter D. And that ends our practice test number 1. Thank you everyone and for joining us. No, thank you. I hope nga naka-learn ta in this session para magamit ninyo sa inyong sa inyong of course Gen Ed mathematics in the future. So of course next week so we can proceed into business mathematics, basic concept of business mathematics. Dili na kay ta mo go deeper atong higher nga business mathematics, bisag katong basic lang na mostly gagawa sa Gen Ed mathematics. Thank you everyone, and of course have a nice evening to everyone. Okay, very good, you can comment your scores para ma-evaluate ninyo. Then try to solve dayon kung nakapasar ba na siya. So you have to multiply 0.75 to 50 and you will get the passing score. Thank you everyone. Thank you.